let's talk about what are notes on Instagram. You might have seen or heard other people talk about notes on Instagram. It is a latest feature. I'll show you where to find it, how to use it, how to add a note, how to see other people's notes, all of that different stuff. So let's hop into the Instagram app here, and we will tap on messages at the top right. And you can see at the very top here, I have a note by Rob Swift, and it has my little profile picture and has a plus right there. So what you can do is always you can swipe down to update any of these notes if there are new notes that just came available. But you can just tap on the name here and it says Rob Swift shared a note and it just has two eyes. So you can tap send a message here. You can write a little message. You can tap the plus next to the leave a note here. And you can just leave a random note and hit share at the top right. So just like that, I've shared a note. It's kind of like you can pin sort of a comment at the top of people's messages. Of course, you can go in here and delete the note if you want to not have that note anymore. You can change the privacy and determine, who can see it, who cannot see that note, all different stuff. But it's kind of a way to pin sort of a message about you or a status or something like that at the top of the Instagram messages. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.